It appears like that winning streak is finally broken, unfortunately for the bulls. The Nifty is down close to 13 points, but for half of this last 30 minutes, actually, we were in the green. So it's going to be quite interesting to see which side does that average number come to. So we'll have to wait for the close on the Nifty. But stocks, it was a day of broader markets. Godrej Industries goes on with a gain of 20%. Big up move is what we're seeing out there. Geojit Financial up close to around 20%. Archie's, I don't know what's going on there. Very, very small counter, small market capitalization, up close to around 20%. Prism Johnson was up close to 7%. Shimaru was up close to 13.5%. IFL Securities up 6.5%. Ellen Electronics, one of those listings that didn't really perform. Today it came back into play, up close to around 10%. And you had Tilaknagar Industries. We had highlighted this, that yesterday, massive delivery-based buying, big volume breakout that we saw. That one as well did pretty well in today's trading session.
Okay, the bell is gone and the Nifty is probably going to end absolutely at the flat line. I mean, right now it's a 10 point dip. Let's see what the adjusted close is. Very, very quiet. The weakness came in the form of, the volatility on the financial side of the market. So Bajaj Finance, for all the up and down, is ending down about 1.5%, the weakest stock on the Nifty. Infosys down a little over 1%. And then a lot of metal and material stocks, metals, commodities, oil and gas. So ONGC, for instance, lower by about 1.5%. Reliance itself down about 0.5%. Coal India, Tata Steel, Hindalco. So this was the weak complex today, JSW Steel. So you basically get the drift. On the upside, some of the banks did well. ICICI Bank about 1.5% on the upside. SBI Life, Bajaj Finserv, HDFC Life, Shriram Finance. So a whole lot of financial stocks, banks and non-banks, having a good last 1 hour thanks to some trading activity with the expiry taking place today. And then a decent day for consumers. Titan, Nestle, these are stocks on the upside as we see things. But I guess, Prashant, had it not been for the bank Nifty and the banks, then the Nifty could have found itself in a spot of bother.
Yeah, absolutely. And, so that bank Nifty rally came, I think, just in time. And the only hope is that there's a day two as well, right? I mean, because otherwise they've been very fleeting rallies. So maybe a little bit more here. And finally, like the Nifty bank also sort of comes at par. Maybe takes out the earlier high, the previous high, and then we'll see. But it's, of course, some distance away from doing that. You need 2 or 3 solid days for the Nifty Bank to get close to doing that. Well, I think it's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell from all of us here. It's goodbye. But, we take the action forward, look ahead into tomorrow's trading session and prepare you for what you need to know that is coming up in just a bit.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18 and do follow us on all our social media platforms for news, updates and more.